Good morning friends, this is Karthik Vandani. So today I'm gonna show my experiment number 3, experiment number 3 of web technology. So in this experiment, our aim is to design a single page web using HTML and CSS3. So in this page, as you can see, we have one header section, then a section which has the main body. So in the header section, we have the website header and we have to apply the particular text shadow effect and all the CSS properties which I have done in my experiment, and a banner image. We have three banner images and we have a banner image at the back, and then the three thumbnails image in the section part, and two sections where which will write the dummy text and borders and colors. In the end part of the our web page, we have a footer in where we display the contact details. So this is the first experiment number 3, which this was the aim. So this is the dummy page. Like this we have to make a web page. So similar to this I have made. So I'll show you. So this is the page which I have made, Mandani Garments. So here is the header. So this shadow effect and all that effect using CSS styles as applied. This is the main section. Here we have a image. Then these are three thumbnail image, and this is the data section, which here we have dummy text, and this is the footer. Here we have the address, door number, street number, city. And now I'll show you the code of this, how we have done. So yeah. So this is the code. This is the HTML code, and now I will show you the CSS code of this. Yeah, this is the CSS code of this. So now, as the HTML code, as we can see, we have first the HTML tag, opening tag, and the head opening tag. Now title is welcome. Now we have used the main style as a CSS file. So we have villain style sheet, type is CSS, so we have used CSS. Now the first in the first class, header 1 is the first div class where we have in Mandani Garments. So in my CSS file, in the header 1, I've applied background green, so background will be green, color white. Then I've applied a text shadow whose RBG color is this. So as you can see in that HTML page also, Mandani Garments. So here the background is green and the text color is white, and I have this red shadow effect using CSS file. I've done this CSS style file. Now in the later part of the section, you can see we have div class navbar. So in this I have given ordered list. So in the ordered list I have given item 1, item 2, item 3, about us, and the home index is.html. So in the navbar, div class navbar, I have applied a different CSS style effect, which I will show you. This is the .navbar. So here I have displayed the inline block, so everything will come in a block. So the background color is cornflower blue, then border I have applied, then float left, then the height, which is the pixel, text size is in the center, width is 19.85%. So this is the whole thing. So one more effect is there. As soon as I bring my mouse here, hover effect, this will change to yellow. Yeah, so this is the thing which is applied here. Now as we can see in the HTML file, in the later section, now this is a particular div class. I've closed the div class. In the later section we have three thumbnails. In the three thumbnails we have three pictures. So in the first thumbnail, here comes the three thumbnails. Yeah, till here it comes. So in this, as you can see, the div class is middle, and then the div class image 1. So I've given the image source here, so the image will display, and then the alternative when you pick 2, if the image is not visible due to the connection problem, so alternative will, when you pick 2, will come. So now in this I applied a CSS style. So as we can see in the middle, to margin top 30 pixels, 30 pixels. Now there are three images as you can see. So in the first image I want on the left, so I will use the CSS property float left, position relative, and the margin right according to the pixels. And the third one will be the float right margin, and the middle one will be margin top, and from the bottom 30 pixels. So as we can see in this, we have three thumbnails. So this is the image float left, this is the image float right, and this is the middle one in which I have given 30 padding a margin from above and below. So this is the thumbnail. So till now I've covered the effect Mandani garments, the header section, this section, and another thumbnail section. Now I come to the middle part of this experiment in which we have some we have the dummy text, and there is just two sections. So then this is the div class middle, and then the box subhead, and then in this we have the dummy text 1. Here I have the small dummy text with the page tag opening and inside the div tag. So I applied CSS styling here as well. So we can see dot box. So the margin accordingly I have given, and the width, then the background color green, then the float left. So the initial one is float left, and same I have given the box 1, but only the difference is this will display in box size. This is box 1 which is floated left, and this is box 2 which box which is floated right. So the CSS styling I have given, and this is the dummy text which will be visible. Now the last part of this experiment, in which we have to give the foot section, where I have given the address, door, street number, city, state, and pin code. So here I am using the class foot, and then this is all encapsulated in the div section. So I have given the style sheet here. So in the foot we'll see I have given the height, position relative, and the background color sky blue, and the padding, as in padding from top is 15 pixels and the padding from the bottom is 0 pixels. So we can see in this the image that padding from top is 15 pixels and padding from bottom is 0 pixels. There is no padding from the bottom. Yes, there is no padding from the bottom, and padding from above is 15 pixels. So this is the style sheet which I have given here, and the background color is sky blue, margin, then float left, then the text is aligned in the center. So as we can see, the text is aligned in the center, the background is blue. So using HTML and CSS, I have designed this page. So this is the HTML page. So here I have given the CSS file name. So using this, it will be encapsulated on this. So this is the more effective way to make any website. So using HTML, the page is not so good represented. So you make a good representing and attractive page, we use CSS styles. So using CSS styles, background, different types of properties, I have designed this page. Thank you. This was my experiment number 3.